Take a look at this beauty. 1977 Lincoln Continental original mile car at 15,526. What a beautiful looking two-door hardtop. 400 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, C6. Of course, all your equipment, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the front chrome, grille. Very nice condition. Paint shows well. I mean, you got to remember, this car's coming up on what, 50 years old now? So, I mean, there's a few imperfections or maybe a spot that's been touched up here or there, but overall, this one, yes, it looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726 as you get a look up and down the passenger side, and you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Like I said, maybe a little imperfection here or there, but even take a look at the inner wheel wells. Very nice shape, not a bunch of dings on the molding, anything like that. White is the correct color. What originally came in interior is red Continental interior, vinyl, split bench seats, fold down armrest. I'm going to show you a couple things. Still has the starting instructions up on the sun visor, and also important safety precautions still stuck to the driver's door. Owner's manuals come with it. It also comes with the warranty identification card. That'll be in the glove box. This is an original full vinyl roof car, and that is the original vinyl, of course, on it. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This vehicle has always been in our area. DSO, Twin Cities. You can tell it has not been driven in inclement weather, stored indoors. And once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we got an open door policy. You want somebody to come take a look at this car. If you can't make it yourself, inspectors are welcome. If for some reason you can't make it yourself, otherwise we try to have over 100 pictures of our cars online, top side, bottom side, inside, outside, engine bay, trunk compartment. You'll see it all. And again, take a look up and down the driver's side on this vehicle. Again, might be a couple real small spots where a previous owner might have touched up. I don't even know if I can get it to show up, touch up a little bit of imperfection here or there, but they're few and far in between on this one, folks. All right, let's take a little closer look at the interior. Of course, power seat here in the driver's side. Power windows. You have the remote mirror on both sides. Look at these door panels. No wear on the armrest. Lots of times we'll start to get some grimes and some oil from skin, carpeting. It's not even discolored. Getting in the rear of the vehicle, take a look at the seats. Hardly anywhere on that vinyl, which is what you'd expect from a car with a little over, what, 15,000 miles on it. 15,526. Dash not cracked. And very stock looking interior. Really haven't noticed anything that's been changed on it. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. All right, let me close the door. We'll get rid of that beep. There, if you can see the miles, 15,526. No warning indicators, anything like that on. Heat and AC controls down here to the left. Yes, AC blows cold, freeze you out. Compressor kicks on, everything working. Now, radio. Let me turn this on a second. I'll show you something. Yeah, just a little static. Radio not coming in, and there's a reason for that. Because we have a power antenna. Not every girl radio works just fine, as well as the power antenna. Power antenna switch right here. Remote passenger mirror right there. Here's everything's in working order on this car also. All right, slip around to the back so we can hear it run. Let's check out the engine bay. I think we know how that's going to look. Nice that that door closes. How fun would it be to cruise in this one? Local roll-ins, local cruise-ins, any of your local shows. What a cool 70s classic. All right, slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood open. Take a look at that engine bay. The underside of this hood. Hood liner, clean. Engine bay, nice and tidy. Check out some of the stock markings, paint markings on these valve covers. Even just the engine size displacement sticker. Again, 400 power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, C6 automatic transmission. Looks very stock underneath here. Lack of corrosion, I guess, if you will, on the inner wheel wells. Again, take a look at the markings, original markings. Maybe the Ford blue paint still there. Wow. Little battery shut off, FYI, on the battery. 1977 Lincoln Continental Mark V, original mile car, a little 15,000 on it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate, or you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1977 Lincoln Continental. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but the roads are dry today, so we're able to take a drive and video it for you. This is a very smooth riding car, luxurious car. Radio works good. Our windshield wipers are working. Blower motor works. Speedometer seems to be right on. We've even got a clock on the dash. Fuel gauge is reading a little over half. Car runs really good, accelerates as you would expect. It's really kind of a time capsule of a car. No cracks in the dash. Interior is really, really nice. It's a quiet riding car. Very easy to steer. Smooth ride. Goes nice and straight down the highway. Be a great road tripping car.